Hello, I'm Nahida and welcome back to Innovin Foods. Today we are making a creamy and flavorful Malai Chicken Seekh gravy, a rich North Indian inspired dish packed with soft kebab and buttery nutty gravy. Let's get started. Take 300 grams of boneless chicken, pour in blender. Add 1/4 cup chopped onion, 2 to 3 green chilies, half teaspoon cumin, 1 teaspoon chili flakes, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon salt, 3 tablespoon breadcrumbs, 1 tablespoon cream and 1 tablespoon butter. Use cold chicken for blending to help shape the kebabs better. Blend until smooth. Pour the mixture into a bowl. Add 1 teaspoon ginger garlic paste and 1 tablespoon chopped coriander leaves. Mix well. Now take small portion and shape into kebabs. Seekh means skewer in Persian, traditionally referring to grilled meats. Heat oil in a grill pan on medium heat. Fry the kebabs until golden brown on all sides. Do not overcook the kebabs, they stay soft if cooked just until golden. This dish is perfect for festive occasion or family dinners. Set aside. Now the gravy preparation. In a blender, add 3 to 4 green chilies, 2 tablespoon coriander leaves, half cup chopped onion and 5 to 6 cashew nuts. Cashews are often used in Indian gravies for a silky, creamy texture. Blend to a smooth paste. Blend the gravy ingredients until completely smooth for a velvety finish. In a pan, heat 2 tablespoon oil and 1 tablespoon butter. Add 2 to 3 cardamom pods and 2 to 3 cloves. Then add the blended masala paste. Now spice it up with half teaspoon pepper powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon cumin, half teaspoon garam masala, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon kebab masala, 1 teaspoon garlic and 1 teaspoon ginger paste. Add 1 teaspoon red chili powder. Stir and cook for a minute. Add 1/4 cup whisked curd. Malai or fresh cream gives the dish its signature richness. Cook for 2 minutes on low heat. Now add 1 cup water. Stir well. Gently place the fried kebabs into the gravy. Homemade gravies are free from preservatives and additives. Pour in 1 tablespoon lemon juice and finish with some fresh coriander leaves. Boneless chicken is a great source of lean protein. Cashew nuts add healthy fats and are cholesterol free. Using green chili and ginger helps in digestion and boosts metabolism. Did you enjoy this rich and creamy Malai Chicken Seekh gravy recipe? Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to Innovin Foods for mouth-watering and easy to make recipes. Thanks for watching. Stay happy and keep cooking with love.